Hello, fellow traders. I greet you all according to your time. I am very happy to be bringing you another amazing system. So, in other words, I am back again with another amazing trading system. What I like about this trading system is how it simplifies the market, especially for novice traders alike. This trading system is quite good, highly accurate, gives you a tight stop loss and a big take profit. Isn't that what everyone is looking for? But let me give you all a rundown on how the system works, and it works on any time frame. Right now, as you can see, currently I'm on the 5 minute time frame. So I'll tell you how I use this system, if at all. So what I do is the big arrows is for additional confluence if you want to catch more bigger moves. And I will tell you all the arrows, if you wait for the candle to close, both the big ones and the tiny ones are completely non-repaint. You can take entries using this one, or you can take entries using this one. But for me, I prefer when the arrow path close to this band. It gives you more of a sure confluence. So you can take entry right here though, but I wouldn't advise that you take much of the entry. I wouldn't advise that. So if maybe you take one position here, and if it pulls back to this point and gives you another, you can take further entry. Same happened here. But what I advise usually is that you wait for the candle to close. And if the candle closes, the arrow will not recalculate. It doesn't do that. But as we can see, this was a win. This was a win. This, if you know how to take profit quickly, I don't think you will get stopped out. But from the way you see this curve, you would know that the market is trending upward and you would take only buys at this point. So when we see this come out, even though it wasn't close to the band, we could have taken if you were an aggressive trader and it would have gone into profits. Well, the trading system is quite good. I've tested it out. It has a good and decent win rate. Let me show you how it works on another pair. Yeah, we have the USD JPY. I also forgot to mention another third confluence. So we can actually take this green arrow. We can actually take this outside the band because we have this showing in green color. So it shows us that the momentum is still very high. The momentum was very high at that point. Sorry. Showed us that the momentum is quite high and we've taken it. So when we have this kind of a confluence close to the band and we have this, oh, have no fear. But as you can also see, at this point, those other small non-repaint arrows close to the band appeared. And we can see also that the buying momentum or the buying pressure had reduced at this point because we see at this zone that we now have red bars. We now have red bars. So what we would have done, take our entry and ride. Now on this point, this one right here, the green arrow popped up, but we still had our red. So we would have waited, would not have entered. But if you're an aggressive trader, I personally would have entered, set my stops right below the arrow. We saw that at this point, this small arrow appeared and we saw the green bar started to print. I would have taken another entry and watch the market. It's going in our favor. So when you have a trading system like this, it's very good. Now I can't lie to you and tell you that it has a very high win rate. It has a high win rate, but not 100%. I cannot tell you that any trading system has 100% win rate. It is not possible. Now in this trading system, I will tell you one thing: you will win most of your trades. You might take a few losses, but they will be tiny. I assure you that there will be tiny losses because the way the entries are set, you have a very tight stop loss. And this is a game changer, guys. It's a game changer. So I hope you leave a comment down below, like the video, share the video as well, and kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.